Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into a trending Y2K horror Halloween photo. It's completely free and super easy to do. So let's get started. First, just open Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just go ahead and download it from the Play Store and then log in using your Google account. And Dreamface is really beginner friendly, and what's cool is it actually offers a free plan. You will get a weekly credits and you can generate a few photos or video every single day, totally enough for casual edit like this. Once you're logged in, you will be on the main homepage like this, and then just tap on AI filter. This is where all the fun styles are, and then just find the filter called Y2K, called horror Y2K. This one, just tap on it. It's a perfect mix of a retro 2000s vibes and spooky Halloween styles. And next, just select your photo. Make sure your face is clearly visible and well lit for the best result. And when you're done, just tap on animate or generate. And okay, like this, you will see your pictures turn into a Y2K inspired horror photo like this. And then when it's done, just tap on download to save or keep the results on your phone. And okay, that's it. Your free Y2K horror Halloween photo is ready. You can post it on Instagram, TikTok, or use it as your profile picture for this spooky season. It's quick, easy, and totally free, and all done in just a few taps. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!